The verse questions disbelievers' doubt about resurrection after becoming dust. It reveals a human tendency to doubt resurrection's possibility. This doubt persists despite Allah creating humanity from nothing initially. The scene contrasts human limitations with Allah's divine capabilities. Denial of resurrection stems from disbelief in Allah, rejecting His power and authority. This disbelief isn't intellectual, but a fundamental rejection of divine power, arrogance, and disobedience, not inquiry. Blind individuals to the truth. Disbelief is rooted in rejecting Allah's power, leading to denial of resurrection. The verse describes disbelievers with chains, symbolizing their confinement. They are depicted as inhabitants of hell, representing eternal consequences. This symbolizes their stubborn adherence to false beliefs. It also reflects their rejection of divine guidance and inescapable divine justice.
সত্যের সন্ধান করুন কেননা সত্যই ঈমানের মূল। সত্যের সন্ধান, পাণ্ডুঘর, মুরাদনগর, কুমিল্লা, বাংলাদেশ।